Well, hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did some barbecue beans. These are the beans I like to eat with my barbecue as a side item. I'll start off here by chopping up my onion. I'll finally chop it, add in 2 tablespoons of butter. I'll start cooking it off and let my butter melt through and let the onion start cooking and getting translucent. Also add in salt, pepper, garlic powder, touch of onion powder, cumin as well to cooking the onions. And then I'll start slowly adding in my beans, meat, brown sugar, and barbecue sauce. Adding my beans here, and I'll let my beans cook and get warmed and let the onions start flavoring the beans as well. Let it cook probably 5 minutes so the beans just start warming. And then once they get warm, I'll add in my meat and do the same thing. Just mix it and let my meat start warming up as well. And then once it's warm, I'll add in my brown sugar and my barbecue sauce. Mix it and turn on my oven to 350 so it can preheat. And I'll stir and mix this through. And once it's mixed, I'll put it in the oven and let it cook until my beans get bubbling. And once they're bubbling, they're done. Just take it out, let it cool, or you'll burn yourself to death. And then you can enjoy. But anyways, I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.